Meditation can boost your confidence. Meditation can slow down aging process. It can build your muscles. You can heal your body applying meditative processes. And not just that, meditation can give you such intuitive power. It almost seems like sixth sense, as if you're predicting the future with accuracy. Am I kidding? No, absolutely not. And I'm going to share with you 7 extraordinary benefits, seem like superpowers, which are based on scientific research. And it's true. We should be amazed to know that just by doing meditation, you can transform your life. So many changes that you can bring in, your quality of life can change significantly. Let's look at all these 7 wonderful benefits. Please do watch this video till the end to know all these extraordinary powers, and also to mention which is your favorite. If you're new to the channel and not subscribed to my channel as of now, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to share with you a lot of valuable content on brain, mind, and consciousness. So let's get on. The first benefit is boosting your confidence. We all know how important is confidence when we are facing an interview. If you are confident, more likely that you will actually crack that interview. Or when you're getting onto a stage, or if you are interacting with a boss or conducting a meeting, confidence is absolutely such a precious thing to have with you. It's been found out that by doing meditation, you can boost your confidence. In one of the studies which was outlined in the Journal of Consulting Psychology, it was mentioned that 2 groups of students who were trained to face an interview, and one group was trained primarily on interview skills and functional skills. The other group, apart from these skills, also taken through a meditative process with visualization, and in the outcome, the difference was huge. The success rate in the first group was only 21%, whereas in the second group, where meditative process was there, the success rate was 66%, huge. 45% extra success was seen in that group. So it's something which has been established. If you are going through meditative process, especially visualization while doing meditation, you are getting a much higher level of confidence, whether you are facing an interview board, or going onto a stage for public speaking, or you are sitting in an exam hall. Only about 15 to 20 minutes of meditation on a regular basis can boost your confidence and make you a successful person in life. The second important benefit that I would like to share here is meditation helps reducing anxiety, stress, and depressive feelings, and help us be calm and happy in life. Lot many studies have been done, and it has been seen that by doing meditation, we are also helping our HPA axis. HPA axis is the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, which is primarily responsible for our stress responses, is tuned appropriately through meditation. And that activation helps reducing the level of hormones like cortisol in the body, and we remain far more calm and composed while dealing with even tough and difficult situation. It's also been seen that meditation helps us tuning our vagus nerve, one of the nerves which is responsible for maintaining a positive inner environment, which also helps keeping our vital organs in good shape and health. Just by doing about 15 to 20 minutes of meditation every day, we can reduce the stress responses significantly and thereby become more productive and effective in our life. But my favorite 2 benefits are the 6th and the 7th. Please do mention in the comments which is your favorite one out of all these 7 benefits I'm sharing with you. Third benefit is about decision making. In fact, our life is so much dependent on what decision we are taking at different point in time, and whether it is an economic decision, whether to buy a particular product, buy a house, or to invest in some stock, all this economic decision or social decision. Who should be my life partner, or whether I should speak this language or this way, whether I should respond in a very aggressive manner or in a polite manner. All these social decisions are also very, very important in life. And meditation has a lot to do with this. It's been seen people who are regular meditators, their decision-making ability is far more deeper and sharper compared to others. That means they can take faster decision and more appropriate decision. The reason neuroscientists cite for this kind of an advantage is meditation One, it helps reduce stress, thereby limiting activation of the midbrain area, which can be an hindrance to our decision-making process. At the same time, it activates two of the more important areas which are involved in decision-making, the ventromedial prefrontal cortex and the orbitofrontal cortex. These two areas are so important to help us take appropriate decision. You can see how the different parts of the brain activated by meditation and thereby helping both social and non-social decision-making process here. One more key aspect of decision-making is intuition. And that's probably the most interesting one, most fascinating one about why meditators are super decision makers. A lot of research has been done on CEOs, chief executive officers of different companies, and it has been found that CEOs having higher order intuitive skills are more successful. And then they found out there is a very strong correlation between meditation and our intuitive abilities. It's like developing a kind of sixth sense where you can predict the future with more accuracy. And what's the science behind this? Our body has the capability to interpret the data available in very many different ways, and some of the signals are already available to us to predict the future to a certain extent. But because of the internal disturbances, especially emotional disturbances, some of our brain parts which are capable of processing the intuitive signals, the signals that can give us intuition, are blocked. By doing meditation on a regular basis, we can improve our ability to become more intuitive, kind of developing a sixth sense and predict the future to a large extent. The fourth benefit is about our body healing and pain relief. Meditation has tremendous power in healing our body and helping us overcoming the challenges of pain. So many research they have been done, and it's been seen that by doing meditation, there are certain chemicals and neurotransmitters help us reduce the impact of pain. Dr. John Kabat-Zinn in 70s and 80s did extensive application of meditation on patients to see how this helps reduction of pain in their body. And what he found was extraordinary. He came up with a therapy called mindfulness-based stress reduction therapy, which has been applied for pain reduction over the years and one of the most effective therapies available for pain management. What has been seen through various research that meditation changes the structure of the brain and certain neuropathways, which reduce sensitivity to pain response and improves tolerance to pain. So this is super powerful for anyone who is undergoing pain. The next benefit is connect and influence. Probably one of the most important factors in terms of our relationships and developing networks. Nikki Owen, world's leading charisma coach, somebody who helped more than 2,500 people to enhance their charisma and become more charismatic in their life. She puts it like this, that charisma is something not genetic, neither it comes when we are born, it is developed. And she strongly suggests one of the aspects of developing our charisma, which has got two primary dimensions. One is our presence, magnetic presence. When people look at you, they are attracted towards you. And the second one, your influence on others. When you speak something, when you're saying something to somebody, it is received as if it is kind of an hypnotic trance. So your presence and your expression is received like a hypnosis on them. This is significantly impacted because of meditation. People who are regular meditators, they have a presence which is far better than others who are not meditating. And also it enhances their ability to influence others. That means what you speak, it's been received as if this is a sermon I have to follow. And that's possible when you are having that magnetic presence and hypnotic influence on others. Again, super powerful thing, because you can connect with people, attract them, and also influence them. That's the secret of success for many. And the sixth one of my favorites, as I mentioned, something amazing, something probably unbelievable, but very true. It's you can build your muscles by using meditation. You can restructure your body shape. You can change your internal physiology by applying certain meditative practices. This is based on a very interesting experiment on two groups of students. Both the groups were asked to relax and chill for 12 weeks. And one of the groups asked to visualize for 15 minutes every day for 12 weeks that they are doing dumbbell practice to strengthen their biceps. And this only they did in their mind. They did not even move their hands. So every day for 15 minutes, they would sit in a meditative posture and then visualize that they are going to a gym and doing that dumbbell exercise for 15 minutes, completely engrossed in that process for 15 minutes. And what they found at the end of this experiment was amazing and inexplicable. After 12 weeks, the muscle strength of the people who were visualizing increased by 13.5%, which was huge. Just by doing meditation and visualizing that they are doing this practice, lifting dumbbell, their muscle strength increased significantly. That means meditation and visualization process not only help us improve our psychology, it also changes our physiology. It changes the flow of neurotransmitter, flow of different hormones. And in a way, we can also use this practice to help heal our body and maintain a far more fit and strong body. Now coming to the final and the most important one for every one of us, meditation helps us slow down the aging process. Yes, you heard it right. If you are regularly meditating for about 15 to 20 minutes every day, in about 12 weeks' time, you can significantly experience the change in that aging process. The biological aging process would slow down. You will be older in terms of time, but not in terms of your biology compared to others who are not meditating. There are many research which have been done, including one research by Dr. Sarah Lazar, who says the telomeres, the ends of the chromosome, which actually shortens after every cell division and leads to aging process, telomere shortening process significantly comes down if you are engaged in meditation. One more reason for our aging process is weakening of our internal immune system, and which is because of the increased inflammatory signals. And interestingly, by doing meditation, we reduce this inflammatory signal and thereby keeping our immunity at a much higher level, thereby slowing down our aging process. So this is fabulous. Your fitness of the internal organ system, your tonality of the skin, and different parts of the body, they remain far more younger compared to if you're not doing meditation on a regular basis. I trust all the 7 outstanding, incredible benefits, 7 superpowers would definitely motivate you to start meditation right from today. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also to share this video with others so that many more people can start meditation. Let's bring in this movement and change the quality of our life through meditation. Keep watching. I'll see you soon again.